Hello everyone. In this session I am going to talk about what is the difference between a format specifier %s that is used in string handling in C programming language and the getTest function. So let us start with an example. Suppose you are going to write a program which is going to read the data which is inputted by the user. Let us see how we are going to write that program with the help of format specifier %s. So our program starts with this hash include stdio.h and our main program starts here. And suppose we have a character array, we have declared a character array and that is a character and the name of that array is a string str and the size of the string that you have specified here is a 20. Okay, and when the next statement you will be writing here printf statement, printf, and what will be the statement you will be writing? Enter your name. Enter your name. Okay, and after that you will be writing scanf statement to read the name which is entered by the user side. So for that purpose you are using scanf and the format specifier is %s, this one, and the name is stored in the character array string str. And you know we are not going to give any ampersand sign here. We are not going to provide any index sign here. Indication of any index, that is str with square bracket I. We are not specifying anything. We are writing the name of the character array only. And you know the reason why it is so. So when this statement is executed, what happens? The memory representation is like this. You are going to allocate, the allocation is happening of a 20 size. Suppose this is the memory allocation that is happening of a 20 size and the indexes start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 19. That is a 20 size and this is the character array variable str and this character array variable is going to hold the base address of this allocated array. Okay, suppose the base address, this is pointing to the base address of this array. Suppose the base address of this array is 100. So what will be the value present here? It is 100 here. Now what will be the 0th index address is 100. First index address is 101, then 102, 103, likewise up to 119. And you know that each cell in this array is requiring 1 byte of memory space. Why? Because it is a character array. Okay, so you know that. So when this statement gets executed, this happens internally. Okay, now when this statement is executed, printf enter your name. Suppose this is your console and when that statement gets executed, you are getting a message on your screen, enter your name. Enter your name. Okay, and now the user has to provide the name. Now suppose a user is providing name Raji. Okay, so what happens? This R will be coming here and suppose the user is providing Raji and then space NAIR. Okay, this is the name provided by the user. So the R will be coming here at the 0th index, then A, then J and then I. And what it finds, what are this %s format specify, what it is reading one by one character, it is reading characters one by one and it finds a space here. So it is not going to include, it is not going to read the space character. It is then put, what happens, it puts automatically the null character here. Okay, after reading the first word. So the problem with this %s format specifier when used with scanf is that it is going to read only one word from the characters or a set of characters. It is going to read only one word. Okay, so what happens in this case Raji Nair, the percentage S, the format specified for reading the word Raji, this percentage S is there, only one percentage S is there. So it has done its duty and it has read that word Raji into the character array, but it doesn't find in the next percentage S symbol, so it is not going to read the next word. Okay, so it is what happens, so this after reading the first word, it is automatically putting the null character at the end of the character array after reading the first word. So the main drawback of this percentage S while reading a string from the user side by using scanf is that it is going to read only one word at a time. It reads only one word at a time. Reads only one word at a time. Okay, so now the next question is, it is always necessary that a name contains only one word? No, a name may contain two words, a name may contain three words, or if you want to read a sentence, or if you want to read a paragraph, then how you are going to do that? It is okay when you want to read one word from the user side, then it is okay, this will work very well. But when you want to read a sentence, when you want to read a paragraph, it is not going to give you the correct result. So let us see how you are going to read a sentence or a paragraph using another function. Okay, so the next function that we are going to see here is a getAs function. So let us see the implementation of getAs function. So here what happens, this is our program, and we have declared a character array str with the size 20. So similarly here also what happens, here also this same memory allocation will be happening. It is also going to give you a 20 size memory space allocated to this character array str, and the indexes start from this. Okay, 3, 4 like that, 18 and 19. Total 20 bytes are needed for this str, and this is the character array variable, and it stores the base address of this array, allocated array. And suppose the base address is 200, then it will be holding the value 200, and one by one it will be reading the character from the user side, and it will input that character into this, it will be storing that character into this array one by one. So first address is 200, second address will be 201, next will be 202 like that, and this will be 218, and this will be 219. Okay, so let us see how getAs is used. This is the getAs symbol and a getAs function. It is taking the argument. What is the argument it is going to take? It is going to take the name of the array, character array. Here the name of the character array is str. So it will be taking str. Okay. So what happens when this statement executed? This happens internally. When this statement is executed, what happens? You will be getting a screen. In your console you will be getting the message, enter your name. Enter your name. Suppose the name entered is RAJINAIR. Okay, this is the name entered. So what is the beautiful thing related to getAs is that it is going to take the character from this one by one. RAJI space is there, and then it will be taking NAIR. Okay, and how many times it will read the characters from the at what time it is going to stop reading? Till the user is going to press the enter key. Till the user is going to press the enter key, it will be reading. Okay, so the reading goes on till the user press the enter key. So whatever comes in that reading, whatever comes, that is any space character or any special characters, it will be taking all that as such, and it will be storing everything here in that character array. So the beautiful part of this getters function is that it is going to take long sentences. It is going to take more than one word into the character array, and this reading will go on till it finds an enter, till the user presses the enter key. Okay, so you can read a whole paragraph, you can read a big sentences like that using getters function. Now, so after executing this statement, this happens. The Raji space Nair is stored in this character array str. Now, suppose you want to print the string itself. Now you want to print the string. What happens? Now you want to print the string what you have inputted from the, what you have got from the user side. You have to print it again on the screen. So you are again using printer function, and you will be writing like this. Name is %s for printing the characters from the character array. So you will be writing %s comma, and you will be giving the name of the array from where you have to take the characters and print that characters on the screen. So when this statement gets executed, what happens? You will be getting a message on the screen like this. Name is Raji Nair, Nair. Why? Because after this this %s, the value of whatever is present in this string array, it is going to replace this %s, okay, on the console. So what happens? It will be reading the characters one by one till it finds a null character. So during the printing process, this %a, %s will be printing the characters one by one till it finds a null character. So it will be printing the whole name, okay, Raji Nair with space itself. So you will get this sentence on your console, okay. So what you have to understand, when you are going to use %s in scanner for reading purpose, what happens? This %s is going to take only one word at a time. Why? Because when it finds a space character, it is not going to read the next word after that. Okay, so after it will be taking only one word at a time, and after that it will be putting the null character at the end. And when you are using the same %s format specifier in case of the printf statement, what happens? This %s will read all the characters which are present in the character array till it finds a null character. So this is the way how it acts. Okay, so to overcome the disadvantage of scanf function to read the characters, we are using this getters function, and this getters function will be reading the characters one by one till the user is going to press the enter key. So you can read a long paragraph, you can read big sentences, long sentences using this getters function. So hope this is clear to all of you. Now we are going to, so we have seen how we have used how to read the strings using %s and scanf and the function getters function. Okay, now let us see another some string handling functions which are available. So when you want to use string handling functions, inbuilt string handling functions, what you have to include? You have to include a string.header file. This is string.h. This is a header file, and this header file contains n number of predefined functions which are needed to process the strings in C programming language. When you want to manipulate or process data in strings, you have to use string.h header files. Okay, so you have to include that. Now I will be explaining one string function, how to find the length of the string that you have inputted, okay, that you have given to your program. You have to get the length of the string that is inputted by the user. So suppose that means suppose there is a character array, and in that character array this string is stored, RAJI. Okay, this is there and this is the null character. And now you want to find the size of this string. So what will be the length? The length of this string. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4. Length means you have to find the number of characters present in that string. So it is the length of this string is 4. Okay. So the answer that you have to get is 4. So let us see how you are going to use string length function to get the length of the string. The function that is used for string length is strlen. Okay, and it is going to take the argument, it is going to take the character array as an argument. Okay, or character pointers. We will see what is character pointers later in other videos. Okay, so for the time being you have to understand this strlen is a string handling function. One of the string handling function which is available in C programming language. It is going to take the argument, it is going to take the character array as argument. Okay. Now, what will be the return, what is the return type, what is the data type of the return value? The data type of the return value is unsigned integer. Unsigned integer. Whatever value you are receiving after applying this function strlen, that value is of the data type unsigned int. So what is this unsigned int? We have seen int data type, we have seen float, we have seen char. Now it is a new one, unsigned int. So what is that? You have to imagine a character array with no characters. So suppose this character array is empty initially. So what will be the length of this string? What will be the length? Naturally the length when you are going to define the length of this character array it is 0. Okay. Now when you are going to input values in this character array, this the length of this character array increases one by one. Okay. So whatever value it is going to hold at the end after finding the length of the string, it will be a positive value. Either it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. That means whatever value it is going to give you as the return of that function strlen, it is a positive value. Okay, so that is what we are calling that data type of that return value as a unsigned int. Okay, so let us see how the program is going to, how we are going to write a program to find the length of a string using string handling function strlen. So as I told you, you have to include the string.h function header file. So include string.h string handling function. Why? Because you are going to use a string handling function here, and we are going to use a printf statements, scanf statements if there. So we have to include this also, stdio.h. Okay. Now your main program starts here. And now what you have to declare a character array where you are going to store the values, where you are going to store the arrays inputted by the user. So suppose you are going to declare a character array char, and the string is str array 20. Okay, the size of the string is the size of the character array is 20. Okay, now you have to use now what will be the statement? Printf enter the string. Okay, enter the string. And what you are going to do, you suppose this string may contain one word, may contain two words, may contain more than 2 words. Okay, so you have to use getters. It is better to use getters here rather than using scanf with %s. So you have to get the string from the input device, and for that you have to provide the name of the character array. So getters string. Okay, getters str. So what happens? You will be having a character array here with size 20, 17, 18, 19, and this is the str. The base address is stored here. Okay, and after this printf, you have on your console, what is happening? You are getting this statement, enter the string. Enter the string. Suppose the string is a good morning. Good morning. Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, a sentence is there, good morning everyone, and a full stop is also there. So what happens, using the get as a function, you have taken the values, characters or strings provided by the user. So this will be written here, this will be stored here, good morning. Okay, all are in the arrays, everyone, like that. It will be stored in the string array. Okay, and the last character will be the null character. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 20. More than 20 are there. So suppose, let me resize our character array. The size of the character is 30. Now it will hold that. Okay. So anyway, this will be, what will be here? 27, 28 and this will be 30, 29. Okay. So this is what happens up to here. Now what you have to apply? You have to apply the string handling function, string length, to find the length of the string provided by the user, and where that string is stored right now, it is stored in the character array. So you have to provide the character array as an argument for this string handling function, and the value returned is always a positive value. So it is a unsigned integer value, and this is it has to be stored somewhere. Suppose our variable used is length, length. Okay, suppose a variable is length. Now you have to declare this variable also, and what is the data type of this variable? Unsigned int, length. Okay, so that is the unsigned variable. Now what happens? So you will be getting the size of your string in this length variable. Now you have to print the length of this string. So the size, the length of percentages, you are using a single quotation, percentage s is percentage d. Okay, double quotation, comma, and here you have to pass the string, and then you have to pass the variable where you have stored the length of the string. So this str character array value will come here, and length variables value will come here. Okay, so their semicolon, your program ends here. So what is when this statement is executed, you will be getting on the console like this. Suppose I am redrawing here, and suppose the console is this one. So what you will get? The length of, you will be getting the single quotation also. So what is the string we have passed? Good morning everyone. Okay, is the value. Okay, you will get that is a value, is a percentage d dot. Okay, so you will get this. It will also come, the length of the string is also come in the single quotation, and the string also come in the single quotation. Why? You have provided this single quotation here. You have given the format specifier in the single quotation, and that format specifiers are included inside the double quotation. So it will come like that. Okay, so this is the way how you are going to get the length of the given string using a string handling function strlen. Hope this is clear to all of you. You work out with other examples and you will understand this point very clearly. Now thank you for watching this video, and we will have a lot of other examples in other videos. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel, like and comment also. Thank you.